There's your food. Got sissy hair in it. What are you doing?
Tito! Heidi! What are you doing, Heidi?
Look at Daddy.
She said, you didn't give me no food, Mom. She just gets a treat. Up she goes. You like your bones, Heidi? Chicho's still loose.
No.
Look, she got up and walked away with them bones. What's wrong with you? Huh? You wanna go see Chicho? Come on, let's go see Tito. You go see Tito? Go see Tito? Let's go see Chicho. Where's Chicho? Get Tito. Get him. Get Chicho. Get Chicho. Heidi, come here. Come over here. Heidi, come here. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? What are you doing, Pouty? Come here. Come get Tito. Get Tito. Get Tito. Get him. He can't let you lose. You already got loose. You like to run off. Huh? See, Chicho, you're lucky you get to run around. Look, that other dog over there, he's in a pen. Poor thing. Probably about a 4x6 pen. Tito, get him, Heidi. Get him, Heidi. Get him, Heidi. Get him. Okay. Get him, girl. Get him. I'll pet you. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. That's my baby boy. That's mine. That's my dog. That's my dog. Okay, let's go in. Quit being mean. Heidi, quit being mean. Let's go inside. Come on. Let's go inside. I'll see you tomorrow, Chicho. I'll see you tomorrow, buddy. Be good. Be good, boy. Are you thirsty? You thirsty, Heidi? Let's go inside.